In this video, I will show you how to print a specific selection from your Word document. So guys, just you want to print this area of your document. So select it, then press Ctrl P, and also you have the option click on File and click on Print. Now here click on Print All Pages. Here the option Print Selection. Just what you selected. So as we can see now, selected area is ready to print. You can change and customize some more settings from this list, like you can change size and also you can make the custom size for your page. You can change margins. So this way guys, you can print a specific area from your document. Thanks for watching.